In this demonstration, we will look at how to use Reader View in Safari on an iPad. Reader View is a wonderful tool that you can use to declutter websites so that it's easier to read and there's less distractions. To access Reader View, navigate to a web page and then navigate to an article. The front page of a website that has lots of content on it, Reader View is not accessible in. But once you navigate to an article, you now can access Reader View via the URL bar by clicking the AA tool. Tap the AA tool and select Show Reader. Reader View will open in a less cluttered format. You can make text preference changes by clicking the AA tool and making your text bigger or smaller. You can change your font so that's one that's easier to read. And you can change your background color. You can also change your web settings. You can enable desktop website view, which gives you the same view that you would have on a computer. And you can ask Safari to open articles in Reader View automatically if this is a preference for you. Here is also where you can allow access to camera, microphone, and location when on that web page. I hope this helps to declutter websites and make your reading experience easier using Reader View.